What does the receipt and the scanner have to do with being in the fridge? Nothing. We all know nothing. But my mind was not working properly. There was a huge disconnect with everything all around me and what I needed to be doing. And so, they're telling me, you put the receipt and the scanner in the fridge. And I'm like, for me, I didn't even know this, y'all. It's because I'm going through a diary that I had to be keeping. And that is how I know that I had put the scanner in the fridge with the receipt. Another thing was I was unable to speak coherently. Now, I'm a talker and I love talking. And the thing is, my cousin, I'll give you this example. My cousin went to my mother and he's like, Auntie, Astra's talking to me and I don't understand one word of what she's saying. And all I'm doing is shaking my head and smiling and saying, uh huh, yeah, okay, okay.